Hi traders. Today I decided to put some money into my TD Ameritrade account, and I did it very old school. I just wrote them a check and put it in the mail, and I thought I'd make a quick video and show you how it's done. So I've brought up the TD Ameritrade website. I just need to put in my ID and password and log in. Okay, I'm all logged in. So what I want to do now is select the account that I want to deposit to, and then just hover over my account and you'll see all this show up here. Just bring your mouse over and click on deposit right there. Okay, this is the page that comes up. There's several methods of depositing money into TD, but I wrote a check, so all I have to do is go down here and click this link that says go to deposit form. Okay, this is the deposit form. So again, make sure you're in the right account. Just type in the check number, the amount you wish to deposit, and I just mailed it standard mail. Here is the mailing address, and what you'll want to do now is just go to the printer friendly page so you can print out a deposit form and stick that in the mail along with your check. So here is my completed form with my account information and the amounts whited out. I just clicked print, then I took that and the check, put it in the mail. That's all there is to it. And in several days I'll be ready to trade that money. If you enjoyed this content, I would appreciate it if you would subscribe to the channel. In the meantime, take a look at the videos on the screen. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.